Nitroglycerin. This highly explosive compound befuddled modern scientists for years. Something so powerful must certainly have a use. If only this power could be harnessed. Through trial and error, and more error, scientists, well, you get the picture. It wasn't until Alfred Nobel discovered that combining nitroglycerin with a clay-like substance made it possible to control the powerful explosion. Dynamite, a force that can literally move mountains. By combining the right two elements, Alfred Nobel created a force that was more effective, more useful, and therefore more powerful. Many of us have felt close to the spirit and had special feelings of love while searching for our ancestors. Many of us have also felt peace and comfort while visiting the temple. But are we missing out on a greater spiritual power? What if we tried combining family history with another spiritual experience, like visiting the temple? There is a spiritual pull in all of us to connect with our ancestors. When we combine our family history work with temple blessings for them, we'll enjoy a power that can move mountains in their lives and in ours.
The real power comes when we combine family history with the blessings of the temple. You'll find not only protection from the temptation and ills of this world, but you'll also find personal power, power to change, power to repent, power to learn, power to be sanctified, and power to turn the hearts of your family together and heal that which needs healing.